Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're working on my 2005 Cat-Eye Chevrolet Silverado. Call her Betty White. I like to call her Betty White because she's old, got a lot of miles, but still got a lot of life left in her. So today we're going to work on replacing these old stock busted out tail lights. I got some new Spider LED, super nice. Probably should have took them out of the bag first. We'll get some of that nice LED tail light action.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna get rid of these. Old stock one. This one's busted up anyway. Don't even work. So we're gonna get these installed. Yeah. Alright, so to remove these tail lights is super easy. There's just two Phillips head screws right there. Look at that.
What?
Man, that might be a record for like tail light removal right there.
Think so.
Alright, so to put these new ones in, since they are built-in LEDs, you don't need these no more. The only light you will need is a reverse bulb, which I got some really nice LED bulbs to replace these stock ones. Alright, when handling LED bulbs, you always want to have some type of glove on, because the oils in your hands will get on these little LED bulbs and cause them to wear out prematurely. And on LED bulbs, you have to put them in a certain way. So I'm gonna go make sure it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna flip it. Is it on? Guess I got it in the right one.
Yep.
So you saw it didn't work, so I flipped it, and now it works. So the rest of this is pretty simple.
Nice.
So you just take these little plugs and plug them into where the light bulbs were. It should be top goes to top and middle goes to the middle. Black to black wire. So the black wire is on this side, so I'm guessing the black wire needs to go on this side. Lit up. So. Scratch it up. And then once you got them in, just put your bulbs in. And then you can use the spots where the original bulbs were to actually lock these wires into the tail light. Alright, so that's what it'll look like whenever you got all your bulbs in. Got them all plugged in and everything. Just slide it back in there. Reinstall your screws. So as you can see, got the new lights in, looks way better. The lights are way brighter. Got this new LED reverse light bulb in. It's gonna be way brighter. Help me see when I'm backing up at night. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that one out, and then we'll show you a little clip of what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the other side installed. They both looking good, looks way better than it did before. Now I'm gonna just turn on the lights, run through the brakes, blinkers left and right, just so y'all get a good view of it. As you can see, the lights are a whole lot brighter. They look a lot better. The reverse lights are way brighter. I'm sure you noticed with the LED lights, they do have that hyper flash. I will be making a video pretty soon on how to get rid of that. Hell yeah. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to get rid of all these stock yellow looking halogen light bulbs. I got this kit from Op7 Lighting, not sponsored by the way. You can put your vehicle in whatever year, make and model, and they should have a kit for all your interior light bulb replacements with LEDs. So literally I got every light bulb replacement with a LED bulb here, from the doors to the map lights to the dome lights, even to the license plate lights. So we're going to go ahead and get them installed. Alright, so first things first, you want, at least on this truck, you got a light override button to turn all your lights off when your doors are open. As you can see, the lights went up. Alright, for these, it's pretty simple. You just take a small little flathead, there's a little groove right here. Pop this plastic off. Now these LED bulbs are got these plastic around them, and they're a little bigger than the stock bulbs, so you actually have to take out these little metal reflector things. You just go around and pop it out like that. Once you do that, just take out your stock bulb. And like I said before, on LED bulbs, you want to use some type of glove or rag. Don't want to touch the actual bulb and get grease and oils on it. Yeah. Make sure it works. Ta-da. Also, like I said before, if it doesn't work, that means it's backwards. Just take it out and put it in the other way. And once you got it in, all you got to do is just, it's got two little tabs. You put in this side first and then just pop it in. And then that's it. Alright, so to do this dome light, it's kind of the same as the small ones on the front. You got this little place for a screwdriver, just pop it down. And then if you look right here, there's a little tab that it sits on. You gotta pull it up and over that. Be gentle, you don't want to break it. Let's pull out all these lights. Alright, and there's the old finished product. Got them all popped in, they're all working. So all you gotta do is put this back in the way you took it out. Put it back over that tab and it just snaps right back in. Maybe. There we go. And there you go. Alright, to install the lights and these door side marker lights, all you gotta do is put a screwdriver in, pop this end off. There we go. Alright, and then you just unplug this. There's your bulb. make sure it works. Now the problem with this is with these LEDs, they have this plastic around it so it doesn't quite fit. But I just take like a pair of cutters, or you could take a file and just kind of trim this out. I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Alright, as you can see, I got this cut out. And now the light fits right in there. And just snap it back in. And that's it. Alright, so for the license plate lights, they're pretty simple. All you got to do is pull this way and they should pop out. You might have to get under there with a screwdriver and kind of loosen this clip. But once you get it out, just twist this and pull that out. Take your old bulb out. Put your new one in. Now turn off. Doesn't work, so I gotta flip it. Oh, there it goes. And you just put it back in, twist it, lock it, just snap it back into place. Alright, so next we're gonna install a new third brake light. I got a really nice like smoked lens, all LED brake light to replace this old worn out stock one. So it's really easy to install. It's just 2 Phillips head screwdrivers. And all you got to do is take the main wiring harness and unplug it. Now, since the new one doesn't have any bulbs, you don't need to take any of these bulbs out or anything. So the light comes with a new gasket. So it's got double-sided tape on it. You just peel it off and put it on around it like that. And all you do is plug it in. Tuck your wire back and reinstall. There it is. Alright guys, so there you have it. We got all the interior lights done. The third brake light installed. Got new tail lights and new license plate lights. So that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you found it helpful or enjoyed it, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see some more content regarding this truck, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.